Hello everyone, thanks for watching my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, I would ask you again to please subscribe to my channel so I can make more advanced videos. Today what we're going to look at is UITabBar controllers. Now you might have seen some application like a phone application which has at the bottom it has contacts, it has recent calls. There's a tab bar, black tab bar, and that has a bunch of different tab bars in it, tabs in it. So you can we're going to make something like that using first let's make a new project and tab bar application. So what does this tab bar application give us by default? What does the template give us? Let's create one and look at it. So as soon as I create it, I run this application. So what we are going to get is two tabs, first tab and second tab. So this is a tab bar controller with two different tabs. So how does this do it? Let's go and check it out. So first there is a tab bar app delegate, and we have a UI tab bar controller defined here, which is provided as a root view controller to the window. So it adds the tab bar controller to the window. And what does the tab bar controller have? Let's go and check it out. Yeah, so the tab bar controller has a tab bar at the bottom, and it has two view controllers that it's linked to. So this is how you do it using interface builder. You can just drag and drop another tab bar item here just by looking at tab bar item, and you can add another tab bar item and call it, say, third. And if I run this application, you will have one first view, second view, and third view. This is what we'll created. So this is how you make it using interface builder. Now let's check it out how we do it using how to do tab bars programmatically. So I make a new project, I call it window based application, say tab bar code. So once I have that, I'll create the project, and now I'll go to my files, and first we need a UI tab bar. So I make a UI tab bar controller, name it tab bar equal to UI tab bar controller, allocate and initialize. So I have initialized a tab bar. Now what does tab bar need? It needs different tabs. So how do we give different tabs to a tab bar? What are tab bars? Tab bars are pretty much different view controllers. So we go here, we create a view controller, and we call it first view controller. Once I have the first tab bar first view controller, let me go ahead and give it a background color so we know which one is which one. So I say self dot view dot background color equal to color red color, and let's make one more with blue color, the view controller with blue background. So say second view controller. Once it creates that, I'll go to again view did load, uncomment it, and say self dot view dot background color white color blue color. So we have two view controllers, one has a red background color and one is a blue. So first thing I want to do is I want to import these files inside my app delegate file. So first view controller and second view controller. Since I have both of them, now I have to make an instance of each of them. First, go to first view controller, allocate and initialize, and same thing for second view controller, second. So two view controllers. And how do I give it to the tab bar? That you do it by saying tab bar dot view controllers, if you see, it's gonna accept NS array. So I have to make NS array with objects. First is the first view controller and second is the second view controller. So we give the two controllers, and then lastly we just need to add this tab bar to the window by saying what root view controller equal to tab bar. So once I do that, if I run it, it opens up window with a, so we have two tabs, but if you see there's no name to the tab bars. So what I can do is I can just say first dot tab bar item dot title equal to first. Similarly for the second one, I'll say second tab bar item dot title equal to second. Now if I, okay, there's no semicolon, we run it again, and there you go, first and second. Now how do we add images to it? Images is very simple. Again, tab bar item dot image equal to whatever image you give. So that's how you add images at the bottom, and that image will come up over there. Right now I don't have any images with me, so I will not be going through that. So this is how you add tab bar controllers, and you can have as many as you want. I can just say want it again and again. There's some problem. So run it again. So there should be first, second at the end, because it adds the first and second to the next part, not to the first part. So you can give these view controllers only once. Since I have only initialized one of them, if I go ahead and make a bunch of them saying first one and second two, and give it here first one and second two, and run it. So now we'll have first, second and two more. Since I didn't give the name here, I didn't copy everything properly, so I didn't give the name. Should be called first, second, first, second, first, second, first, second. But if you have more than, say, 5, if you have 5, it will work fine. It will show 5 tab controllers. Let's call it 3 3 and 3 3. Let me just comment this one for now to show you how it works when there are 5. So this is how it works when there are 4, 1 2 3 4. Oh, I didn't give it to the controllers. First 3. So now there are 5 controllers inside. 1 2 3 4 5. Now if I uncomment the 6th one and give it to it, see what happens. Second 3. Mistake. So if I do that, I see there's automatically what Apple's tab bar controller does is it automatically adds the more tab bar controller. If you click on it, the rest of them, first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth, come in this tab bar controller. And if you want the user to modify it, he can actually move things in the order they want it using this. So that's how this works, and that's all about tab bar controllers. If you have any questions, please post below in the comments, and I'll get back to you at the earliest convenience. Thank you.